Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe and have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So for this week, you can see that this GBP USD this week that just about to finish. You can see that we are kind of having like a pain bar, right? You can see a huge candlestick wick sticking at the bottom, while price, give us like an indecision movement. Well, I want you guys to know that in the long run, GBP USD will continue to go bullish. Like I said previously, that I am watching out for a level of 1.27456. So definitely we will get to that level. Now, this week they were trying to predict for GBP USD will definitely give us a bullish move. One thing I know, I think it is this week, interest rate decision will be released, right? I think it will actually increase. Its interest rate is currently at 3%, if I'm not wrong, on GBP. So if in case it's released, it's increased to 3.25 or it's increased to 3.50, it will definitely shoot up. So we would expect a bullish move on GBP USD. By the way, DXY is also dropping. So fundamentally, you see that DXY more drop is to come. It's still bearish. So any other pairs we will be trading to USD will definitely give us a bullish move. Coupled with the fact that a major news about interest rates on GBP will be released this week. So we need to watch out for it. So that is why I'll set up a Patreon channel, which I'll give you an exclusive, trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. I'm going to share it there with you. So I mean, you can actually, give it a trial. By the way, just test it. And if at the end of the month, maybe February, at the end of February, and you see that you are not actually getting the value that I promised to give you, all you just have to do is just cancel the subscription. If at later on, you see that I'm not really giving you the trade that you guys that I want to give you, right? Or you not get the trade, or the analysis that you are expecting. Then all you just have to do is actually cancel it. You can give it a try. I'm going to give you, trade analysis that I believe would actually hit, and my trade for the day, also trade for the week. I'm going to share it with you. So watch out for that. You can check the channel, my link on the my comments. Check the link in my comments. By the way, now we can see that this GBP is bullish, right? We can see the trend. So this week that we are predicting for, which is 30 of January till 3rd of February that I'm talking about, we would expect GBP USD to actually go bullish and break above this level. I strongly believe it will actually break this level, which is a level of 2.1, sorry, a level of 1.252 249. So 1.25249. So we should be able to hit the level, break above this level. So now down to the daily time frame. So see these movements like this on the daily time frame. So if you should take a look at this to be an ice, then a pullback here, then a new ice. You can see this huge candlestick week that there's a rejection which dropped, then another impulse move. So have this level as a tapping move here. Price give us a pullback, have it as a pullback move. So what's next you will be expecting on GBP to USD is another bullish move. Thereby, a new ice needs to be formed that will take out this ice, which we are going to get it this week. So watch out for it. GBP USD will go bullish to take out this ice. So a new ice would be formed on the daily time frame. Also see that there was a pullback that came to our moving average. We all know that once price is going bullish and you get a pullback, and that pullback taps your 10 period simple moving average, there's high probability that price rejects from that level and push up. So this is it. Price gave us a pullback which came to our moving average, and we can see that there is a rejection going up. Well, there's a little bit of a pullback here, which we would also be expecting a rejection that will continue the bullish move by the time the market opens again on Monday. We can also see similar movement like this. There was a pullback here. We see that the moving average, the price went up. So expect similar movements. Now that should take us to the 4 hour time frame. So we can see that at this level on the 4 hour time frame, price is actually ranging, rejecting this level multiple times. So this is one of the reasons why we very much likely to get a drop and push up. So let's say maybe if you would want to trade it as on the 4 hour time frame, maybe you should trade it like this, like a ranging market move. Maybe once this market push up, then we should get another move. But I strongly believe that another move will be made that will take out this ice. So if eventually GBPUSD goes bullish, take out this ice, that will be an indication that a new ice has been formed on this GBPUSD. So like I said, we will be having a new ice this week due to the major news that will be released on GBPUSD.